Okay, folks, we're down here on 2nd Street. Folks in this neighborhood have been clamoring for years. They've been begging to address these buildings. 310, 314 2nd Street. Joe Mazzarillo, Chris Marini, our new city engineer, Carlo, head of code enforcement, worked together, tried to tackle this issue multiple with our CPU, community police, illegal activity happening, squatters. We literally had a fire 2 days ago in the shed here in the back. There's 3 or 4 encampments all throughout the site. Residents have been begging for it to be addressed. The house is about ready to fall. Today, the good news. We have tackled this together and the homes are coming down. They were unable to be restored. The residents came out clapping. This also is adjacent to Canal Park. A lot of illegal activity happening in the alleyway. We were getting calls endlessly. Police were getting calls. Residents have been begging for this to come down way before I started. Today, folks, that ends. We're going to continue tackling house by house, block by block, revitalizing our neighborhoods. And it's because of these folks here working together, the deputy mayor, and everyone tackling this issue. So stay tuned, folks. Thank you.